Welcome to Human Headquarters. I'm Chris, and today we're doing a few different little projects we got going on. But the main one is we're going to take all this stuff, the spices and the extra bottles, and we're going to put it inside the pantry. We're going to make a couple shelves, put it in the pantry, get a little bit organized. So let's do it. The plan for these shelves is rather simple. I measured the spices to get the width of the shelves, and then I cut two sides, a front, a back, and a bottom. Now the back's a little higher so that I can screw the shelf directly into the pantry. The bigger spice shelf is going to be a little wider and a little bigger. So I got one drawer cut out, not one drawer, one shelf, and it's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's just for the spices. It's not going to be super pretty in the future. We plan on redoing the kitchen anyways. So it's just going to be a little shelf, and I got a sand, and then I got to glue it, screw it, and put it together. But I got to do the other shelf now. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Ready? Are you coming to build with me? Okay. Is lunch ready?
Yeah, I got your sandwich in the freezer.
Cool.
Hello. Okay, we're gonna hang up our first thing in the new house that Chris made for his firm foundations. Just kidding, that's not what it's called. For his building things with Chris. He built this. It's an oil shelf. There's other shelves I gotta put in, but it's really awesome. All you people who are into doTERRA, holler. But we're gonna put it here, and then there's shelves. And then I was gonna ask you if you could build a little platform thing right here, like this, so I could put my diffuser on top of it. And then there's a plug right there. So then
Yeah, that'd be cool.
It's all together, nice and organized. And Chris really likes this like natural wood feel too, so I think that would be fun.
What if we not put it there?
Where should we put it?
I don't know.
Bathroom?
Maybe.
We changed our minds and we're gonna put it in the bathroom. Like right here.
Chris is gonna put it in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Hello there. Doing a quick break from the shelves before I put them in to the pantry. So we just moved here. So the fence line here is kind of, it's good, but there's some open spots. So one of my dogs keeps getting out. So this will probably be a little future project. I can show you this spot right here where there's a hole and Wonder keeps getting out there. And there's supposedly another spot on that side of the fence over there, but I haven't seen it yet. I haven't walked around the whole property, but I need to do that. So if we can get that fixed up and just let the dogs out here to play without worrying that they're going, you know, buck wild out there. The assembly portion of the shelf is rather simple. I just used 1-inch screws for basically all of it. Screwed the front and the back into it, and then I glued the bottom onto the bottom side and then screwed it in. Now you'll see a faster compilation of this happening up close.
shelf. And it's nice and organized, color coordinated. So
How
now,
handy is it?
Oh, it's handy because I'm actually about to look to see what my next month's order of oils is, and it's very easy to see all the ones I have or ones that I'm running low on, and having them out to where you can see them all makes you use them more.
Oh,
Because
nice.
if they're hidden away in a cabinet, you kind of forget about them, and
Yeah.
that's sad.
So if you needed to find frankincense,
Boom!
what about
The oil of
what
all
about
healing.
peppermint?
There's 4, 5.
What about clove?
We're good with peppermint. Clove.
You know where all of them are?
Yeah.
Dang.
Well, I know what color they are because I use them a lot.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Another little project that I did on this day was putting the TV in our room. It was a little bit more complicated, but I just found the studs and screwed the TV holder into the wall and then put the TV on it. Yeah. I'm not sure where the cords are. Hi, buddy. Are you happy to sit? Screwing these shelves in is pretty simple. With the back side of the shelf being higher, I can just directly screw them through the back and into the pantry door. Alright, there's our shelves. What should I say?
Hey, Chris, can you help me with Xander?